Hi, are you new here?
Yes, I am. It's my first day.
Welcome. My name's Daniel. What's your name?
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Sophie.
Nice to meet you too, Sophie. How's your first morning going so far?
It's going well, just a bit overwhelming.
That's normal. Did HR already help you with the onboarding steps?
Yes, they gave me a schedule and some forms.
Great. Did you find the office easily?
Mostly, yes. I had to ask for directions once.
Happens all the time. Where are you coming from? Did you work nearby before?
I worked at another company across town.
Oh, nice. What kind of work were you doing there?
Marketing, mostly social media and campaigns.
Sounds like a good fit. Which department are you in here?
I'm in the marketing team.
Great. Are you focusing on content, social media, or performance marketing?
Mostly content and social media, but I'll help with campaigns too.
Good to know. Who's your manager?
My manager is Ms. Carter.
She's great. Have you met the rest of the marketing team yet?
Not everyone, just 2 people so far.
Do you know where your desk is?
Yes, they said it's near the window.
Nice spot. Do you have your laptop and login access set up already?
I have the laptop, but I'm still waiting for some access.
If you get stuck, IT usually helps quickly. Do you use Teams or Slack here?
Teams, I think. I still need to join the channels.
I can send you the main ones later. By the way, have you seen the break room yet?
Not yet. Where is it?
Down the hall on the left. Do you drink coffee or tea?
Coffee, definitely.
Great. You'll like it then. What time is your next meeting?
In about 20 minutes, an intro with my manager.
Perfect. After that, are you doing training sessions or meeting teammates?
Training first, then meeting the team in the afternoon.
Makes sense. So, what made you choose this company?
I liked the projects and the growth opportunities.
Nice. Are you familiar with our products already?
A little. I read the website, but I still have a lot to learn.
Totally fine. I work in sales, so if you ever want customer feedback or common questions, I can share what I hear.
That would be really helpful. Thank you.
No problem. Do you work more independently or do you prefer collaborating closely?
I like a mix. Independent work, but frequent check-ins.
Same here. Are you working fully on-site or hybrid?
Hybrid, 3 days in the office.
Great. Which days will you usually be here?
Probably Monday, Wednesday, and Thursday.
Good to know. If you ever need a quick tour, printer, supplies, meeting rooms, just ask.
Thanks. Actually, where do people usually print things?
There's a printer station near the conference rooms. Want me to show you after your meeting?
Yes, that would be great.
Also, do you have any questions about how things work here, like approvals or who to contact for what?
I'm not sure yet, but I probably will once I start tasks.
Fair. When you start working on campaigns, do you usually need sales input, like target customers or key objections?
Yes, that would be useful. What's the best way to request that information from your team?
Message me on Teams and I'll connect you with the right person or send you notes.
Perfect. I really appreciate that.
No problem. If you need any help, just let me know.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
No problem. Welcome to the team.
Thanks a lot.